Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 desktop icons and shortcut slow loading problem. First method is press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys, click Task Manager. Right-click Windows Explorer, click End Task. Click File, click Run New Task, type %localapp.a%, check Create this task with administrative privileges. Click View, click Show, click File Name Extensions, click View, click Show, click Hidden Item. Click Microsoft, click Windows. Click Explorer. Delete all .db files. Click File, Run New Task, type explorer.exe, check Create this task with administrative privileges. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version, click and expand Explorer. Right-click New, click String Value. Type Max Cached Icons, change value data to 4096, click OK and exit Registry Editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.